Tara guys, silipin natin yung yard. Alright, see? Very nice and super clean. Some of them here need to cut and throw in the rubbish. Oh, we're passing May. See, it's nice and clean na guys. See? Beautiful. And this avocado, look closer to it. You know we're big animal. Kapag laban na tayo, we already wash. So, how nice is that guys? After everything long grasses, you look like this. Very awesome. Really like the grasses cut like that. This insect roll along, you can see it here. Going summer. Oh, he mowed it accidentally here. Oh, we got already roots. Never mind. He didn't see it. He will go back. See, very good. He's very attentive. Some other part. He's still here. What is it? Galangal? May shout out to Sis Nilda. She said this is galangal, or maybe relatives of galangal. I'm not sure, guys. I have to research that one. Well, the avocado is growing really well. See? Like millions of avocado fruits right now, hi guys. Like really around here. Very nice. Very bright weather too. See? See the kapitbahay. They mow the lawn all the time too, like crazy. They don't like snake to bite too many poisonous. And Australia guys, from any kind of insects to snake. See, sometimes the possum go here in the night. See, really crazy. And this is not good tree. And I think this let's remove this. This I think get a machete. Cut it already anyway. They're not nice. It's a lot of million, like really million of them. The mowing looks so good. I'll put this in so good. It's really nice if you mow the lawn, guys. Trust me. Oh my god. Lumalabong siya guys. So very fat now. Getting more bigger and longer. I guess it's time to more tea again. And I'm going to give him shower water today. That's the mint, and this is garlic parsley. And this really very dry. Didn't look after you for a while. This is a life. This is our compost. Just leave it rotting until turn it to thing. See, the lemongrass it come back to life. My word! Wow. This banana, I don't know why you're so skinny, right? Need more nutrients, I don't know. This, not yellowing anymore. She did really well here. It must be hot weather. Because I needed. Okay. What's the new one? Indicate when the leaves like that, they needed water. It's hot weather. Wow. This banana sucker, she done so good. This others again here, she doesn't. Yeah, she come back to just to get a lot of attempted watering. Why this one need to crawl here? Okay. I want you to be not there, okay? And soon this one I'm going to harvest that. That's sweet. Sweet potato. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time. That's it for the update today guys. What happened in our lives. See ya, bye. I just gave it for my thumbnails. Yeah. Alright everybody. Beautiful Mo. Thanks to my lalabs. Thanks to my sweetheart. He did the mo today. Because he just completed it. Yeah, cheers. Bye-bye. See you next time. Hope you have a good day guys. See ya. Babush. Oh, this is how we... It's like umbrella. You can put tarpaulin on the top so it's not very hot. But